Hello YouTube. Today I'll be unboxing this action camera. You can get it at most online stores like Wish, Amazon, eBay. Pretty cheap, anywhere from $6 to $30. My guessing not the best quality, but you always get what you pay for. I mean, you can't really beat it if you're on a budget and you just want something for right now. And well, let's get into it. Got a base, charging cable, and the camera in this waterproof case. Looks like we've got a protection on the case itself. Doesn't make any sense to me, but they have one there. Let's get this thing open. And then we have the little camera. It's pretty light. It's pretty plasticky. But like if you're paying $6 for this, it's not bad. I wouldn't mind paying that much for it. As we can see, it's got power. We'll get into the footage of this camera later on. But the website that sold this said that this is good for up to 30 meters in water. 30 meters is kind of a long way. We got a little instruction booklet. Also, I've been told that all these attachments that come with these cameras fit GoPros. So this can be used actually for a GoPro, from what I hear. Yeah, here we go. (1080p), full HD, 30 meters, water resistant. Not proof, water resistant. Just your basic, informative little piece of paper. Okay, here we got some specs. Liquid crystal display, LCD. 1.5, 2.0. Lens is 140 degrees A plus HD wide angle lens. It's yet to be seen. It has a video format of AVI, that's all it records in. Storage is to micro SD, so you have to have a micro SD card. Frequency of optical source is 50 Hz and 60 Hz. USB interface is USB 2.0, pretty standard. Power source interface is 5 volt 1A. Battery capacity is 900 mAh. Power dissipation is 400 mA at 4.2 volts. Recording time is about 70 minutes. I've heard people go about 90 minutes on here. Charging time takes about 3 hours. Operating system it's supported on is Windows XP, Viz Tower above, Windows 7, Mac operating system. Dimensions is 559.27, 441.13, 29.28. Don't exactly know how that measures out. Yeah, no, basically a little booklet there. This is a little mount, I guess, for what they. Well, the website said is for a bicycle helmet, but pretty flat. I would say more like maybe a car dash, maybe something like that. I could see it using for that. Get like yourself a little cheap dash cam. All the dash cams are pretty cheap, actually. Unless you want good ones. Basic charging cable. Basic quality. Not bad. Overall, the opening quality of all this isn't that bad. A little bit more than I expected for the lower end. If I was paying $30, I'd be a little upset. But all in all, not bad. Here we have the footage from the camera. I'm just doing the highest format right now, which is 1080p. And not bad, but it's definitely not 1080p. And as we can see, it's not too bad. I mean, we get into a darker room, you wouldn't be able to see much. It goes pretty dark pretty fast. I mean, here, let me turn off my light source. There's still lights on in here too. So as you can see, it's pretty bad. So she woke up scared. Some Mino thunder wake her up. Look right here. You don't know what I'm doing. Some Mino thunder. Yeah. Mino thunder. So during this part of the filming, I did not realize that the waterproof case covers the mic. So you're not able to hear anything I was saying. I have my daughter with me. I was saying she was going to be my little helper. I'm moving the camera, and I'm about to put it in my sink filled with water with a logo from a juice bottle in it to see how well we could read it. As we can see, it's not too bad, but I mean, what can you expect? It's not that deep, and I'm just testing to see if the case will actually even hold up in a little bit of water. Not too bad. Seems to be working. Yeah, got my daughter situated, and as you can see, we just did a small underwater test with this, and not too bad. I will be doing more of a video review, I guess you would say, quick review on specs and the actual camera itself. But I'll be doing that at my work. Look out for that video if that one hasn't actually come out first. This one's probably going to take a little bit more production time. But hope you enjoyed.